Hi friends, welcome to Trades Pro. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can become successful freelancer on Upwork. So I have made this video in 4 parts. So please watch every part to know the strategy how you can become a successful freelancer. So let's start. How a shy internet nerd became a successful freelancer working only 4 hours a day on Upwork. There are three major elements needed to become a successful freelancer. In this video, I'll take you deep behind the scene of I started as a freelancer and got the high quality international projects and show you how you can build your own whether you are just starting out or already one. So would you like to work with me? This is the question my client asked me before we start to work together. When I started my journey as a freelancer, it was not always like this. I struggled for 2 years to make decent money online. You name it, and I had tried everything: affiliate marketing, lead generation, email marketing, SEO, website development, and whatnot. But none was working in my favor. As a last resort, I decided to try my luck in freelancing also. I made an account on freelancing website like Upwork, Freelancers, Guru, etc. with my main focus on Upwork because it is the most trustworthy website and I had the opportunity to work with international clients who can pay well. But before I start applying for job on Upwork, I studied all the successful freelancers, what they were doing, how they structure their profile, how often they bid. And to my surprise, I found one element common in all successful freelancers. I modeled it and I started bidding on projects. And within 1 month, I got one project for which I charged $15 per hour. And it required me to work for 10 hours a week. That was around $150 per week, decent amount if you are single and a bachelor living in India. I then tried the same technique on other project also and my profile soon started getting traction and I was getting new projects every month. Even clients were inviting me to apply on their projects. This was the first time I was getting the real result with freelancing and I'm currently making $2,000 to $4,000 every month. Freelancing has given me all the freedom I want. I work only 4 hours a day and 5 days a week. I take on only projects which sound appealing to me. I'm earning a decent money which would not have been possible in a job. I can travel and walk. I have started my marketing agency which I dream of. And in the next few phases, I will be sharing the exact systems that I learned while studying all successful freelancers and how I used to get client online. The system is simple and can allow you to live the life you want as a freelancer. So in this video, that's it. I'll come with the next video. By then, thank you. Bye bye.